Welcome to the last topic of AP US History in under 3 minutes. My intro here will just be to simply say thank you to you all for a wonderful year together, and let's get into it. So not to be abrupt here, but 9/11. It is an event we all know. Planes will crash into the World Trade Center and the Pentagon in a coordinated terrorist attack carried out by the group Al-Qaeda. This is shocking to the US at the time, and it is a very unprecedented event. And so the US response to this will be to enact a war on terror. And if you are like me and wonder how exactly you can enact a war on an ideology, well, really what the war on terror was a war in Afghanistan, targeting the terrorist group responsible for 9/11, Al-Qaeda, and the Taliban government that supported the group. And also the war on terror expanded to Iraq for reasons originally justified by claims of weapons of mass destruction. It's also important to note that the US depended a lot on oil coming from the Middle East, and so a lot of complications arose over energy because of the military actions happening in that region. So the US shifts. They don't have Cold War enemies anymore. Their big enemy now is instead terror. And this will even expand to the home front with the Patriot Act, where the US expanded law enforcement surveillance powers and strengthened measures against terrorism financing. If you were a supporter of this act, you might note the need to keep Americans safe, but critics of this act might say this violates civil liberties and privacy rights. But anyway, for one last time, let's look at the US. What can we say at the end of this course? Well, the US is the most powerful nation in the world. That is pretty objective. The US will continue to intervene internationally, influence global politics, and lead economically and militarily. My goodness, the curriculum here really makes me glaze the heck out of the US. Whatever, I suppose. For the last time, on the screen now are AP style questions for this topic. And as you answer these questions, just know that I have had a lot of fun over the past few years making these history videos. Oh, and here are your answers. Please do tune in to the end of the year live streams if you'd like. That's all for me though. It has been an honor. Bye bye.